Okay, so now what I'm going to show you right now is actually how to make the fisheye, okay? I hope you know how the fisheye looks like. I'm just going to show you right now. Okay, so now we've got the fisheye here. So as you can see, we've got the middle as different. We've got the different middle and the outer is different. So I'm going to teach you how to make that kind of a fisheye. So now the first thing you want to do is you want to get a completed Rubik's Cube. You want to get a completed Rubik's Cube like this, as I've got here. Now if you don't know how to make it, you can just, I've also made a video how to make the Rubik's Cube, just go and see that. So, or you can learn it from anywhere else. You should just know how to make the Rubik's Cube. So once you've got the completed Rubik's Cube, what you want to do is, you want to take the middle lane of the white and you want to bring it down, okay? You want to bring it down here. Then you want to move the middle of whatever color you put it down. So I put it down in green, so I want to move the middle for green. So now I've got a different centerpiece for the white, right? Now I want to move the white back up. Okay, that was a few simple steps. I'll show you again. Move it down, I change the center, and I moved it back up. Okay, if you want it opposite, you can change it twice. Then it becomes opposite colors. Now, as you can see, we have not got fisheye yet. That's why you don't want to get opposite colors, because then it increases your steps. So keep it simple, normal color. You put it up and then you twist the middle once. And that's actually very simple. You've got the whole fisheye actually. That is amazing. Look, I'll show you how to do it again. It's actually so simple. And like, I think it's about like, it's only about 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you've actually got the fisheye. So, yeah. That's that, and it looks quite impressive, the fisheye, once it's made. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you liked this video. And that's how you make the fisheye. Thank you.